Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Voluntas and today I'll be showing you guys how to clean your tilapia fish. Hi guys, so for this fish cleaning video we're gonna need a toothbrush, a clean toothbrush to be precise, and a knife. And look at that, my fish doesn't have any scales, so thank God I'm not gonna be stressing about that. But look at the inner part of that fish. Tell me, if you don't clean your fish with a toothbrush, please stop, change. I'm yelling, I don't know why I'm yelling, but use a toothbrush to scrub the inner part of your fish beneath, because if your food is clean, you enjoy it, your stomach is not gonna hurt and you won't be sick. But please clean your fish with a toothbrush, scrub everything and run it under warm water, cold water, hot water, whatever water you like. And look at that, look at how clean it is. Not fully clean, but getting there. And I'm gonna use a knife to like cut open the middle part and still use my brush to scrub everything, the bones, the blood, everything off the fish. And yeah, look at that. So I'm just gonna rinse it and let's do it. Look at the head of the fish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my gills. Some people fry that, but I've never actually eaten it, but I heard it's really good. I should try one day. Yeah, and look at, yeah, just take out everything that you think needs to be taken out, that don't look good, then it doesn't need to be there. Take it out, run it through water, and yeah, look at that, my fish is good to go. Oof, clean, mommy. Yeah, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my knife and cut off those fins. You can use a kitchen scissors for that, but I actually prefer using my knife. I just feel it's like faster for me. I don't know why, but I think it's faster for me though. And look at the second fish. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those gills again and just repeat the same process that I did for the first fish. So use your toothbrush again to scrub the inner part, take out all that black dirt, that bitter stuff, and run it through water again, and then cut open the middle and repeat the same process. How easy is that? And this is satisfying. I don't know, it's satisfying to watch for me. Like, I've watched this video like 100 times. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and like just scrub it one more time and just dry it off. Look at that. You can always squeeze like extra lemon on it to take out like the slimy thingy from it or like the smell, but I didn't do that because I ran out of lemons. But yeah, I'm just cutting the fish in, like giving the fish cuts, because I'm trying to grill my fish. So yeah, look at how clean the fish is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was satisfying to watch. I hope you can start practicing what I taught you here, because but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to love this video, share this video, like this video, comment in the comment section.